Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Red color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, orange color, violet color, black color, green color, pink color, blue color, purple color, sky blue color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letter A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Let's trace A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Pink color A, B, C, D. Black color A for apple, B for bee, C for car, D for duck. Light green color A, B, C, D. Brown color A for ant, B for ball, C for cap, D for doll. Purple color A, B, C, D. Orange color A for alligator, B for basket, C for cat, D for dinosaur. Violet color A, B, C, D. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.